How to enable sensitive content or Twitter or X app. So let's jump into the video. You have to go to your X app or Twitter app. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video to change your sensitive option on Twitter or X app. What you need to do first is go to your profile. After clicking on profile, you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do is click on settings and support option like here. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do is click on privacy and safety option like here. So make sure guys you watch the full video and follow every step, and please leave a like on this video if this is worked, and subscribe my channel for more video like this. So what you need to do is click on this to find this option like content you see, the third option. Okay, after clicking on this, here is the option that display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you turn this on, you are ready to go. Now from now on you can see the sensitive content on Twitter or X app. So this is how you can enable or turn on your sensitive content option on your Twitter or X app. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.